This laptop runs hot, literally. Your lap will remember this price tag. For $3,500, the Razer Blade 16 delivers desktop-class power, but only if you can live with its fiery temper. The RTX 5090 at 160 watts TGP in this 14.9mm chassis is genuinely impressive. Cyberpunk 2077 with DLSS 4 hits over 120 frames per second at QHD, something few 16-inch laptops can match. It's a featherweight champion for raw gaming performance per cubic inch. The CNC aluminum unibody feels premium in hand, rigid, cool to the touch, and it looks like a stealth fighter on a desk. Razer's build quality remains top tier, with zero flex even under heavy typing or during intense gaming sessions. That 16-inch QHD plus 240Hz OLED display is stunning. Colors pop, blacks are true, and the Calman verified profiles make it a legitimate work machine for photo editing. The 2 milliseconds response time means fast-paced games look buttery smooth without ghosting. Performance per cubic inch is the headline here. Razer's vapor chamber cooling and the new design push the hardware harder than any other 16-incher, with benchmarks showing a 15 to 20% lead over bulkier rivals like the ASUS ROG Strix Scar. It's a desktop replacement that actually fits in a backpack. The keyboard improved to 1.5mm travel. It's more tactile and satisfying than last year's mushy keys, making long typing sessions less of a chore. Plus, the 50 TOPS NPU unlocks Copilot Plus features that genuinely speed up background tasks. Here's what you get. Ultra-thin 14.9mm design, featuring a new design. The Blade 16 is up to 30% smaller and 12% lighter for greater mobility, and upgraded with an improved keyboard offering 1.5mm of travel for more satisfying feedback. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, pushing up to 160 watts TGP in a low-profile chassis. Get more raw performance per cubic inch than any other 16-inch gaming laptop, paired with the AI power of NVIDIA DLSS 4. Enjoy more high-quality frames in games. An AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor, armed with 12 cores, 24 threads of processing power and 50 TOPS of NPU performance. Boost performance in AI-enabled applications and access the full suite of Copilot Plus experiences to elevate productivity. The price is the elephant in the room. At $3,500, you're paying a massive premium for thinness. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16 with the same GPU costs $500 less and runs cooler, and the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i offers similar specs for nearly $1,000 less. Thermals are the dirty secret. Under sustained load, the Blade 16's keyboard deck reaches 50 degrees Celsius, making it uncomfortable on your lap, and the fans sound like a jet engine at takeoff. It's a trade-off of the thin design that Razer hasn't fully solved. Upgradability is a joke. RAM is soldered, so you're stuck with 32 gigabytes, and the 2 terabytes SSD is the only storage you'll ever get without voiding the warranty. In a $3,500 machine, that's a deal-breaker for power users who plan to keep it for years. Battery life is poor. Expect around 4 hours of light use, and if you push the GPU, it's less than 2. The 240Hz OLED guzzles power, and the AMD CPU can't compensate enough. You'll be tethered to a charger more than you'd like. The Razer Blade 16 is a marvel of engineering, but it's not worth $3,500 unless you absolutely need the thinnest, most powerful 16-inch laptop money can buy. If you can tolerate bulkier designs, you'll get better value elsewhere, and your lap will thank you. Check the latest price and alternatives in the links below, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.